Now in this question he is saying that we have a Polaroid 1 and is placed in front of a monochromatic source, and there is another Polaroid 2 that is placed in front of this Polaroid 1 and rotated till no light passes. So this is the situation. Here we have a source of light, and this source of light is monochromatic and it is sending light towards this, you can say, polarizer. So what this polarizer do, it will convert the light to polarized light. Now we have this another polarizer which is rotated about this axis. Now when it rotated about this axis, it is stopped at such a position such that no light passes. Now this is just an application of Malus law. You can say that when these two axes become perpendicular to each other, when the optical axis of these two polarides become perpendicular to each other, means they become crossed, then there will be no light. Means in this given condition, indirectly he is saying that the two polarides are crossed. Now he is saying that we have a third polaroid and it is to be placed in between these two polarides. Now in this case, will the light emerge from this second polaroid or not? We have to explain this. Now this is the situation. Here you can see that we have placed, say, this third polaroid such that its optical axis make an angle theta with that of this first polarizer. Now from Malus law we know that if intensity I naught is here, so I naught cos square theta, that is the cosine or cosine square of the angle between these axes, so the intensity that we will get out from the third polarizer is this much. Now when this intensity is passed through this second polarizer, now the angle between the axis of this polarizer and this polarizer is 90 degree minus theta, and again applying the Malus law we can easily write that the final intensity is this intensity and cosine square of the cosine of the angle between the axis. So that is cos square 90 degree minus theta, and if you solve it you will get sine square theta. So finally we will get I naught cos square theta sine square theta, and from this result or using this result you can say that if theta is 0 degree or 180 degree, if this theta is 0 degree or 180 degree, means if this axis is parallel to this axis or anti-parallel to this axis, means sine theta is 0 or 180 degree, then there will be no light. And if this theta is 90 degree, if theta is 90 degree, now when theta is 90 degree, when the angle between these two axes is 90 degree, again cos 90 degree is 0, and again there will be no light here out of the second polarizer. So in this condition or in these situations you will not get any light here, otherwise you will get some light here.